Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to today's video. Today is Tuesday and this is a vlog style video, and in this video I'm just want to let you know that I am working on a new video tutorial, and that tutorial is about this image, and I have turned it into something like this. You can see I have given it something like a classical portrait where I have added the texture. I've been inspired by many great artists like Sheen Archer on, you can see, on 500 pics and Instagram as well. He uses lots of texture into his images and you can check out his work. So I got inspired from this person, this photographer, and as well as the Dimitri Ahar. I think he has also uses this dark moody tones, and I have tried to create that tone or some kind of a similar editing. Maybe I am successful or maybe I'm not. Maybe I'm a little bit closer to that, and you will decide. I have already posted this image, and this video would be out very soon, maybe by tomorrow, because when I added this image I did not give the voiceover to this, and now for the last 2 hours I was editing this tutorial. I have given the voiceover and it took me around 2 hours to give the voiceover, edit the video tutorial, and finally it's been rendering at this time. So you can see that this is being rendered on my laptop, and hopefully you will get to see this tutorial by tomorrow on my website harshvardhanart.com as well as here on YouTube. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.